What's good, YouTube? It's your man, Thesonofsomeman.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in and checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, if you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video and you're new around here, just hit that notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop one of these videos. Alright, guys, we got another release coming up, which is, as you seen in the thumbnail, it's going to be these bad boys right here. Now, they're calling these the Gratitudes. And I remember when I first got them, I did a review on them. I did a few videos on them. You could click the link at the top of the screen to check out those videos. Make sure you come back here and finish this one up. But today we got the Air Jordan 11 white, metallic, gold, black in a size 10.5. And I remember when I opened up the box, I didn't know what this said over here. But it obviously said, well, not obviously. Now that I've seen videos on it, it says thank you. And if you really don't know what shoes I'm talking about, let me pull them out for you. We're talking about the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. Now me, I call them DMPs, but me, I love sneakers for a long time. I've got the originals, got them right here. But as you can see, my Jumpman's turning a little bit green. It is what it is. But I wanted to talk about how does it match up. You know, how does this shoe match up to this shoe? Is it that good? Is it better? We shall see. But anyway, guys, taking a look at the main differences here, obviously is going to be the DMP. The Gratitude has the leather upper, while DMP's, you know, has the mesh upper. You know, obviously you can see the difference. It's a little, my pair is a little bit yellow. Look how white this pair is. I hope it's picking up good up on the camera. Every time I connect the camera to my phone, the lights start dimming, looks different, then it gets messed up on a video, so I don't do it. I don't know. I'm trying to do as best as I can, guys. But yeah, they both have gold Jumpmans, obviously. The difference in the patent leather, obviously you can see right here, is the cut. This has the OG cut. This has the retro cut. But this is the OG. If that makes sense. Now, also, this has a translucent bottom, which kind of looks gold to me, honestly. And this one, I hear a lot of people complaining about it. A lot of people saying they got different outsoles. This one has a milky outsole. A lot of people saying they got, you know, piss-colored outsoles, like it, you know, on the new, you know, Gratitudes. But I gotta tell you, man, these are very, very clean, man. Very, very dope sneaker. It doesn't drop officially until December the 9th. And I believe they're going for around 230 bucks. Now, is that a lot? I believe it is a lot, especially during Christmas time. It is a lot, you know what I'm saying? Also, too, what I didn't, you know, really, I mean, obviously things got to be different, but what I didn't like is this, well, this one didn't come with a dog tag like this one did. But also this one came in a pack with the 6s, which I have over here, but I'm not going to dig them out right now. But, you know, honestly, overall, it's a really, really nice, how do you say, really nice runner-up. So if you do not have the original DMPs, like I do here myself, these are a nice runner-up, man. Especially if you're just, you know, getting into the sneaker game and you want these, or maybe you have, you know, or maybe you've been in the sneaker game and you've wanted the DMPs for the longest time and they're just too expensive. Look, boom, now you got yourself an alternative. Like I said, a runner-up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of these guys. But before we go, also, guys, do not forget, we also reviewed this beautiful pair of sneakers. The Air Jordan 5 Amamaniers. Let me move this. Let me move this out the way so you guys can see these if you haven't seen them already. Also, just click the link at the top of the screen and it'll take you directly to that review. I dropped it yesterday. Very, very dope sneaker. Very, very clean. Very, very detailed as well. But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. You guys plan on picking this pair up on the night? Do you got them already? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Let me know in the comment section. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, day out. I truly, truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, it is your man, Thesonofsomeman, and we're out, guys. Peace.
What we do here is go back.
Loud.